Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have admin access and a live network. Start now. Open Command Prompt or PowerShell on Windows or Terminal on Linux. Run ipconfig/all Windows or ifconfig /IP at or Linux to see adapter details and run hostname to get the local hostname. Look for DNS suffixes and primary DNS suffix entries. These often reveal the device's DNS domain. Once you see the adapter details, note the DNS servers and any listed domain suffix to use in the next steps. With adapter details noted, open System Properties right arrow computer name on Windows to see if you're joined to a domain and the full computer name. That tells you the Active Directory domain. Use nslookup hostname or nslookup IP to resolve the fully qualified domain name. Dig plus short can do the same on Linux. On Linux, run DNS domain name or realm list to display configured domain info. Once you confirm names resolve to an FQDN, you understand both DNS and AD domain contexts and can verify consistency. Now verify by pinging the fully qualified domain name and observe the reply and reverse DNS. That confirms connectivity and name resolution. Use whoami/FQDN on Windows or hostname F on Linux to print the system's canonical name, ensuring it matches DNS records. If you need authoritative DNS info, run nslookup type equals SOA or dig SOA for the domain. If things go wrong, make sure the machine is actually joined to the domain, confirm correct DNS servers, try ipconfig/.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.